to set up the bridge correctly on your Duke 10 when you receive it, get a ruler and a pencil and take a measurement from the inside of the nut down to the 12th fret. Make a note of that measurement, and then measure from the 12th fret down onto the drum head, and with the pencil just make a little light mark at the same measurement there, and then you stand up your bridge underneath the strings and slide it to the point where it's above the mark you just made. Pop the strings into the little slots that are pre-cut and get it centered across the neck there. And that's pretty much it. Now you can tune it up and away you go. I hope you enjoy many years of playing your Duke 10. Thanks.